I think day trading is a scam, and in this video, I'm gonna show you why. You are probably sold a belief that with day trading you can earn fast money, live a laptop lifestyle, and achieve total freedom. But did you know 95% of day traders fail? You've probably seen the day trader gurus, the social media traders. But did you know they make 90% of their income from selling courses and not from the actual markets? They rent their cars, they fake screenshots, and promise innocent people that if they buy their course, they'll get rich quickly. Those guys are influencers, not professional traders. So in this video, we're going to expose the harsh truth about day trading. We're going to understand if it's really a scam and what you should do instead. Let's dive in. Hey guys, I'm Alon.stocks and I post daily free content about the stock market and investing to help you reach financial freedom. If I didn't mention yet, this content purpose is educational only and this is not financial advice. The channel counts to 15 subscribers, so thank you very much. Let's get started. It is important to mention there are some profitable day traders. Not a lot, but there is a few. But there are a lot of downsides to day trading. For example, day trading is like a full-time job. Some day traders need to spend over 10 hours a day on the screens, and not everybody can afford doing that. Also, watching every tick and every candle forge creates a ton of stress and pressure, and it's not good for your mental health. Also, when you're competing with algorithms that execute trades in milliseconds, microseconds, you can never win. Doesn't matter how good you are. And one small mistake or a slight delay in execution can wipe out an entire week's profit. It's also important to remember 95% of day traders are more like gamblers. They do not calculate their moves. They don't have the setups. They just buy and sell randomly. No plan, no strategy. They jump from course to course, strategy to strategy, until they burn out or they lose their entire capital. It's also very hard to learn how to be a profitable day trader. Most of them say it took them 3 years to first become profitable. And that is a lot of time. And if you have a job and a capital that you're not willing to risk, then maybe it's not the thing for you. Also, the psychology side of it is absolutely insane. Revenge trading is very tough. It's when you're trying to win back losses and it leads to reckless decisions and even more losses. Decision fatigue and emotional hijack and stress, it's not things I would recommend. Anyone who's trying to get into day trading should factor these in and understand that it's not as easy as it looks and how the social media gurus make it look. So what actually works? So I can't tell you what works the best for each individual because we all prefer different methods and styles. But most of the wealthy investors and traders I know do one of these two. They are either a swing trader or a long-term fundamental trader. So in this video we're going to focus more on swing trading because it's the big, less risky brother of day trading. So before we start to compare between swing trading to day trading, let's understand what is a swing. So a swing is a trade that you hold for a few days to even a few weeks or months. It's a longer term of trading, but you're not committed into a certain time period. You take only quality trades. You wait for setups to come to you. And you don't take over 5 trades a day, because that's too much and probably the quality of each trade will go down. Also, you need to put in a lot more time to day trade. I know day traders that are on the chart for over 8 hours a day. And I know swing traders who are between 30 to an minutes to an hour every day, which is a lot less. So you can do it with your job and not instead. Also, it's way less stressful to swing trade because you're not taking a deal every single day, and a single minute will not be the difference between a profitable week to a horrible one. So, in conclusion, if you have a full time job and you struggle with emotional control, so you should avoid day trading. You can only consider it if you have over 2 years of experience in the market as a swing trader or fundamental trader. You understand the market pretty good, and you have a deep capital base, and most importantly, you're disciplined like a machine. If not, avoid it in all costs because you're going to lose all your capital almost 95% of the time. So even though day trading sounds like a dream, it's not all nice and fun, and most people will lose their money. So this is why I recommend a more reliable and less risky method, because it's not about how fast you can make your money, it's about how long you can keep making it. And that is the most important thing in the market. Because there are a lot of new traders that make a lot of money in rallies and then lose it all when the market crashes. It's important that that will not be you. Stay smart and trade patiently. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you learned something new, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.